Hi, my name is Shelby from the Typical Family, and today we're going to be making this clear slime. So these are the ingredients you need. You need saline solution, 1/2 cup, clear glue, baking soda, and hot water. So first you take your clear glue and you pour it in that 1/2 cup. Then you pour that into the container or bowl that you are stirring it or making your slime in. So after you did that, you are going to mix your baking soda into your hot water and then stir it. Take it and you pour it slowly in. Once you did this, just mix it slowly so that it doesn't get a lot of bubbles, or else you'll have to wait longer for it to be more clear. Once you got that done, you're going to take your saline solution, and there's no exact measurement that you put in your slime. You just pour it until you like the consistency that your slime has become into. But pour slowly and stir slowly too. Mine's getting pretty gloopy, but it's still not there. So don't add too much saline solution, or else your slime will turn really hard after a while, because it's just the way that clear glue works. Okay, mine's pretty sticky, but I'm just gonna knead it for a couple seconds so it gets used to my hands. After you've kneaded it, it should be white, but it will clear up after like a week or 2 weeks, since you just made bubbles in it. It won't be white and have bubbles in it forever. After you've kneaded it, you just add a little more saline solution, unless if you like it the way once you kneaded it. I think I'm going to let mine be a little sticky because it gets harder over time. So I think this one's good. So I'm just going to take this up. And I like putting saline solution or whatever you use as your activator on my hands and then knead it. So then your slime gets less sticky. So once you've got your slime the way that you like it, you just have to knead it for a little while so it gets used to your hands and it is clear, I guess. Okay, I think I like mine. It might rip once you first have it, but that's fine. It just means that it's a little hard, and next time you shouldn't put as much saline solution. Okay, so once you have your slime, you should put it in a container so it's sealed, or a baggie. So yeah, this is how you make a clear slime. Bye, see you next time.